Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use average function in your Google Sheet. So I have rows and columns as you can see on my screen. So I'm going to do average of the salary, which is in column E. So let's try to do first manually, and then we will match it with the formula. So let's sum it up. As you can see, I summed the entire column, which is 4 lakhs 1,000. And now I will count how many cells I have here, which is 7. So I'm gonna divide this by 7, which will give me the average. Okay, now this is the average of these particular column. So now I'm gonna apply the same. I'm gonna apply the average function to check whether it is giving me the same value or not. Let's do this. Average, and then I'll select a range, close the parenthesis, hit enter. I'm not going to fill the rest of the cells because I only want one cell to be precisely telling me what is the average salary. So as you can see, the number is exactly matches with the manual calculation. So whenever you want to do average of your columns, you can do it by using this average function, which works pretty good. So this is it. We will meet in next video. Thank you so much.